Hi, my name is Monika and today I'm going to show you how to make Polish fermented pickles. They are fermented naturally, so they do not require any vinegar in the process of making them. And what you need for Polish pickles, you just need cucumbers. You need also dill. You need horseradish root. I already have mine peeled. I also have 5 bay leaves that I'm going to add, and 6 cloves of garlic. Also I have peppercorns and sea salt. Do not use iodinized salt for your pickles. It is the best if you have crystals of sea salt or kosher salt. And then water. If the water on tap is good quality water that when you drink it, you like it, use it. If not, go to the store and get regular water from store, bottled water. We're just going to put the pickles inside of the jar. I put pickles first and then I add all other vegetables I want to add. The horseradish, some of them I have cut in circles, some of them I'm going to cut in kind of prongs, maybe quarters, so they can go inside the little spaces between the cucumbers. One more little cut and we are good. I will do the same with my garlic, so cut it maybe in half or in fours if you want, and again place the pieces in between the cucumbers. What else I want to put inside? The peppercorns, yes. So I'm going to say handful. There you go, my babies. There you go. Now 5 bay leaves. And again, it does not matter where you're going to put them. They will fit in the spaces by themselves when you add water. And on top, I'm going to put all of my green dill. Then, very important thing with the salt and water ratio. So this is going to be 1 liter of water and 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 3 liters of water in my pitcher, so I'm going to put 3 spoons of salt. Mix it till it dissolves and pour over my cucumbers. After 3 or 4 days they will be lightly salted pickles, which we also use in Poland for sandwiches or salads. So that's how I do. Let's mix the water a little bit because I see some salt crystals at the bottom, and that is my my full jar of pickles with the water. Everything should be submerged with the, all the water. It's going to turn into brine. Of course, this is going to be something that you want to also understand. The fermenting process is not going to give you that clear see-through water. It's going to be a little foggy, and this is good because the bacteria has to have means of working and producing carbon dioxide, and it is very important to keep all the vegetables immersed in the water. Let it sit on the countertop for 7 days and you have perfectly tasty, delicious and very, very good for many salads and dishes that you're going to serve. I love them by themselves because they are the best. So try it and hopefully you're going to enjoy. Bye!